Have you ever noticed how your head seems to creep forward, especially after a long day on your phone or working at a desk? That's what's called forward head posture, or FHP. And trust me, it's more than just a bad habit. It can lead to neck pain, constant headaches, and even problems with how well you breathe. But here's the good news. Understanding a simple angle in your body, called the nasion-bion C3 angle, could be the key to fixing it. Let's break it all down. What this angle is, why it matters, and what you can start doing today to improve your posture, breathe better, and feel amazing. What exactly is the NBC3 angle? All right, let's make this super simple. Picture three important parts of your body. 1. The nasion, that's the bridge of your nose. 2. The bion, the base of your skull, right where your head meets your neck. 3. The C3 vertebra, one of the bones in your neck. Now, if you connect these 3 points, you get the NBC3 angle. Why should you care? Because this angle controls how your head aligns with your neck, and even a tiny change can make a big difference. Here's the cool part. Research shows that increasing this angle by just 5 degrees can open up your airway by 25%. That means more oxygen, better breathing, and possibly even better sleep. On the flip side, if the angle decreases, your airway can shrink by the same amount, making it harder to breathe. So yes, your posture can directly impact how well you breathe. Amazing, right? What's causing your forward head posture? You're probably wondering, why does this happen in the first place? Well, FHP doesn't just show up out of nowhere. It's a combination of daily habits and how your body responds over time. Here are some of the main reasons you might have FHP. 1. Muscle imbalances. Some muscles like your chest and shoulders might be too tight, while others like your deep neck flexors are too weak to hold your head in the right position. 2. Tech neck. Sound familiar? Hours of looking down at your phone or slouching in front of a computer can push your head forward. 3. Breathing problems. If your diaphragm isn't working properly, your neck muscles might pick up the slack, which pulls your head forward over time. 4. Dental issues. Misaligned teeth or a poorly positioned jaw can surprisingly throw off your posture. 5. Old injuries. Past neck or shoulder injuries can lead to long-term compensation patterns that push your head forward. Why should you fix FHP? Okay, so FHP isn't just about looking hunched over. It can seriously impact your health in ways you might not realize. Neck pain and tension. Your head is heavy, around 10 to 12 pounds, and when it's not aligned, your neck muscles have to work overtime to support it. Headaches. Ever feel like you have a band of pain around your forehead? That could be tension from FHP. Breathing issues. A reduced airway can mean less oxygen, leading to fatigue, poor sleep, or even conditions like sleep apnea. Poor posture everywhere. FHP can affect your whole body's alignment, leading to issues with your back, hips, and knees. How to start fixing forward head posture. Now that you know the why, let's focus on the how. Fixing FHP isn't just about doing a few neck stretches. It's about addressing the root causes. Here's where you can start. 1. Improve your breathing. Did you know your diaphragm is like the foundation of good posture? When it works properly, your neck muscles don't have to take over. Try this exercise. Diaphragmatic breathing. Lie on your back with your knees bent and a small rolled towel under your neck. Exhale through your mouth for about 5 to 10 seconds, letting your ribs sink down. Then inhale gently through your nose. Focus on keeping your neck relaxed. Do this for 2 to 3 sets of 10 slow breaths, and you'll feel the difference. 2. Restore your neck's natural curve. Your neck is supposed to have a gentle curve. It's called cervical lordosis, and it's crucial for keeping your airway open and your head aligned. Here's an easy exercise to help. Chin tucks. Sit or stand tall, then slowly tuck your chin toward your chest like you're making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Do this 10 times and focus on keeping your spine neutral. 3. Build postural awareness. This one's all about being mindful of how you're holding your body throughout the day. Here's what you can do. Set up your workspace. Make sure your computer screen is at eye level, your chair supports your lower back, and your feet are flat on the floor. Take breaks. Every 30 minutes, stand up, stretch, and reset your posture. Use cues. Set reminders on your phone or use sticky notes to nudge yourself to sit up straight. 4. Stretch tight muscles. Tighten neck and shoulder muscles. Try this. Side neck stretch. Sit tall, then tilt your head toward your shoulder until you feel a gentle stretch on the opposite side of your neck. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Do this 2 to 3 times on each side, and you'll feel your neck loosening up. Forward head posture doesn't have to hold you back. By focusing on improving your breathing, restoring your neck's natural curve, and staying mindful of your posture, you can take control of your health and well-being. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So, why not start today? Your neck, shoulders, and even your breathing will thank you. Action steps. Here are 3 simple steps you can start right now to improve your posture and breathing. 1. Fix your workspace. Adjust your desk and screen to eye level, and ensure your chair supports good posture. Take a break every 30 minutes to stretch and reset your alignment. 2. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Spend 5 minutes daily lying on your back and focusing on deep, relaxed breathing to reduce neck tension and improve posture. 3. Do daily chin tucks. Perform 10 repetitions of chin tucks every day to restore your neck's natural alignment and reduce strain on your muscles. These small steps can make a big difference. Start today.